How to zoom in and out in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to zoom in and zoom out in the CapCut PC. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the CapCut app on your computer. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap or click on the Create Project option. And now here, once you are inside and here, once you see the interface like this, simply click on Import. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear with the list of the videos and the images that you want to upload. So here, simply select the video that you want to upload. And now here, once you have imported the video, simply drag the video to the timeline. And now here, once you have dropped the video clip to the timeline. So here, if you want to zoom in or out on the timeline, then you can usually use the slider bar on the bottom right corner of the screen to zoom in and zoom out right here. Or you can also press Ctrl plus scroll wheel on your mouse, and this will help you to zoom in for precise editing and zoom out to see your whole clip. And here, if you want to add zoom in or out effect on video itself, then here is how you can do it. So here, simply select the clip in the timeline, and after that, you can simply go to the animation tab right here. And now here, once you are inside the animation tab, simply search for the zoom in option right here. So here, simply click on in for the zoom in option. And now here, you can just click on out to click on the zoom out option. And with that, you can also preview it on the right hand side. And for more controls, you can also use the keyframes before using any of this. And that's it. That's how you can zoom in and zoom out in CapCut PC. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.